Top of the morning, Corbin Blanton coming at you with another review with a GoPro mount from HSUshop.com. This is the GoPro mouth mount that HSU Shop sent me in the mail. Right out of the box, here's what you get. It also comes with a little tool to tighten down your GoPro right here. So the GoPro pops on right here. You can tighten it down with the tool they sent you. They also sent me a floaty housing for the GoPro Hero9 as well. The mount itself is pretty comfortable. There's even breathing holes right here on the side, so you're not dying to catch your breath when you're using it. This thing works great for POV. You can use it like this. You can flip it upside down, just however you want to put your GoPro on there. You can shoot in your wide format. You can shoot in your 4:3 format for more top and bottom. But otherwise, this thing works great. I recently went out and I shot some wakeboarding footage and some wake surfing footage and a few shots around the house. Check it out. This mount works great. It's comfortable when you wear it. And the only nitpicky thing that I would say about this thing is I wish there was something that was solid to bite onto rather than it just being all rubber right here, because the GoPro is a little heavy, so it tends to bounce. But with the HyperSmooth on the GoPro, it's really not that big of a deal, but just a little something for you. All in all, this mount is great for your POV GoPro shots. So check them out online at HSUshop.com. If you found this video helpful, give me a like. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to get one of these, if you like it, what your thoughts on this are. And finally, hit subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. I hope this one helped. I'll see you in the next one.